Alright, in this video, we're going to solve an interview problem called algorithm performance. This is one of Meta's interview problem, and the question is rated hard. Let's look at the description here. So Meta or Facebook is developing a search algorithm that will allow users to search through their post history. You're being assigned to evaluate the performance of this algorithm. We have a table with the user's search term, search result positions, and whether or not the user clicked on the search result. Write a query that assigns ratings to the searches in the following way. All right, so we have three conditions apparently. If the search was not clicked for any term, assign the search with rating equals to 1. If the search was clicked, but the top position of click terms was outside the top 3 positions, assign the search a rating of 2. If the search was clicked and the top position of a click term was in the top 3 positions, assign the search a rating of 3. As a search ID can contain more than one search term, select the highest rating for that search ID. Output the search ID and its highest rating. And here we have an example. If the search ID 1 was clicked, let's look at the table first. Alright, so if the search ID 1 is clicked, and only click once, and the position is outside of 3. Oh, not mine. This is not related. And its position is outside of the top 3 positions. Oh, okay, so they are related. And here we have the search result position is equals to 5. And therefore, the rating is going to be 2. Okay, I see I understand the problem. And to be honest, it doesn't seem too hard since it seems like we just need to figure out how to create an if statement to evaluate these 3 conditions. Alright, so let's do this. I'm going to do a select from. And we're given a table called FB search events. And for the output, we need to return search ID and the highest rating. So that means that we're going to have duplicate search IDs. And we need to return the record based on the same ID, but only return the records with highest rating. All right, so, okay, let's see. So let me go ahead and select these 2 columns, search results, positions, shape position, not positions. And to evaluate those conditions, we can use the case expression. So basically, it's the same as if statements. Right, so the first condition is going to be if the search was not clicked. So that means that click is going to equals to 0. Then we know that the rating is automatically evaluated to 1. Now, if the click is greater than 0 and the search result position is outside of 3, then we know this is going to be 2. And if click is greater than 0 and the result, not result, and the position is within 3, so 1, 2, 3, then the rating is going to be 3. And I'll name the column as rating assign. Now we have this table here, and the key column here is going to be rating assign. So we need to basically select from this table if two records have the same search ID, we just need to return the record with higher rating assigned or the highest rating assigned. All right, so we now have a base table that we can work with. So I'm going to name this as data set. And from the data set table, we're going to return search ID. And we're going to grab the max rating assigned based on the search ID. So group by search ID. And why I'm getting oh yeah, I forgot the keyword. Yes. Okay. So if we look at the results set here, just do a quick check. So for record 3, we should return hotel with the click of 1 and search results position of 1. And based on the conditions given here, the rating should be 3. And we have 3 for search ID 3. All right, so at this point, I can basically click on check solution, and the system will mark the solution as solved. All right, so this is going to be everything I'm going to cover for this problem, and hope you guys find this video useful. And to be honest, like I said before, this question is actually not that difficult, especially coming from Facebook. So if you can solve question like this with ease, then you can basically get to the interview question or the technical SQL question pretty easily. Now, if you have any problem or any question, feel free to post a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.